So you might be getting sued by a debt collector. You might be getting sued on an individual basis. You might be getting sued as a business slash individual because you have a personal guarantee. And one of the things that I get a lot of questions about, or on either YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or they people email us, it's like the defense goes up. Now, I want to be upfront with you right now to let you know I know how you feel about getting sued. I was once sued in 2002 for $104,000. Now, these are the things that come to mind first, and it's like it's really bad right now because of what with the internet. When I got sued, the internet wasn't like it is now. People wasn't giving you information. I just basically had to learn what to do after I ended up firing that attorney who screwed up the case. the there's a lot of misconceptions out there. Number one is about serving people. Yes, you do have to get served, but each state allows what's called alternative service. That's because if they can't hunt you down, if you don't want to answer your door, if you're running from them, you're doing whatever. We've seen TV shows where they were trying to serve people and give it in hand and people won't accept it. Even if they drop it on the ground and they try to give it in your hand, they're served. But right now, the internet is just giving people that are getting sued the wrong information, and I'm here to clear it up. Number one, they can use alternative service. That means this is the way that they do it, that they can do it. And it can be a little bit different in your state, but if you don't answer once you know you've had some sort of service for the lawsuit, you're going to end up with a default judgment, and then you're going to make it worse, and you're going to have to backtrack. If you have a lawsuit and it's a business and they're suing you in another state, it's going to even be worse because that's what happened to me. If you don't do this right, it's going to be worse. So this is what alternative service could be. I'm going to give you an example of my state of Wisconsin. They can try to serve you in hand. They could try to knock on your door. And if they can't get you three times, they can't get it in your hand three times, they could publish it in a newspaper, your name, saying you are being sued, and they're letting you know. And they take that to the judge after a couple of weeks, and they say, Judge, we tried to serve them. Here's a publication and here's a notice in a publication, and they can do it online in some areas because the newspapers aren't like what they used to be, and that's good enough. They can proceed with the case. That's for a business lawsuit. That's for a personal lawsuit. Now, let me tell you the problems. Let me tell you the problems that will happen when they proceed with the case and they get that judgment. That it'll be known as called a default judgment. When they get that, the judge has no other choice other than signing off, saying that everything that they say in that lawsuit is true against you. Now imagine if someone said something that is not true about you and you just stood there with your mouth shut. What are all of the other people in the room going to think about what that person just said? They're going to be like, you didn't say nothing, so it must be true. This is exactly how the court is going to look at your case. Now, so the number one thing you got to do is you got to respond. Now, sometimes people, they don't respond because they think that if they don't respond, nothing's going to happen. If you don't respond, you're going to get a default judgment. The second reason why people don't respond is because they don't know what to do. They don't know what to say. Don't worry about that. I'm going to give you, I'm going to share with you what to do and what to say. The third reason people don't respond is because they're like, there's nothing that I can do about it anyways. They could just do everything to me. I'm going to file bankruptcy. All of the, people just throw out all of this stuff. Like it's the I don't care mode. And I understand that. But that's not going to do any good. When you go into the I don't care mode, that means that you don't even think that your life is ever going to get better. And I could tell you that I have people who come to me and they got that default judgment 5, 10 years ago. Their life turned around, they're making more money, and all of a sudden they have this judgment that is where they're going right into their bank account or they're garnishing their wages, and they were like had moved on with their life. And now they got to deal with this. So it does, they have 20 years to collect on it. So if you get a default judgment and at that time you were not doing good, not feeling good, and you're just like, I'm just not, I don't have any money, I'm not working, all of this stuff. Unless you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and you include it in there, it's not going to go away. Now, a lot of people, when they talk about bankruptcy, they don't even qualify for Chapter 7, so they're going to end up with a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And if you end up with a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you're going to be paying this creditor through the trustee. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at all of your options. But included in that, regardless of what options you're going to take, if you're going to look at bankruptcy, if you're going to look at debt settlement, if you're going to look at, different ways that you can resolve this debt, or if you want to fight the debt, you have to respond. Because if you don't respond, you're going to get the judgment and you're going to be backtracking the ball. You're going to give them the whole game. You're going to give them the win without doing anything. Now, if you're being sued by a debt collector, if you're being sued by an original creditor, what you can do is go to summonsmaster.com, where you can get a fully formatted response to give you the opportunity to get your case dismissed. Now, that's if you're being sued personally. If you're being sued as a personally and as a business, go to Summons Master, contact us through the contact us form so we can discuss your situation. Those responses have to be done a different way. Please post your comments and your questions below this video. This is a very serious deal. I do not want you to end up with a default judgment to where you have to work backwards. It can make your life a living hell. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com and creator and founder of summonsmaster.com. Thank you.